In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to enable Facebook Live notifications. So you want to head over to your settings, go over to settings and privacy, click on settings, and you'll be brought to this page. And then you want to go to the notification settings. So search for notifications, select that, and then scroll down until you see video. Once you see video, you have to do this on the mobile app. Once you see video, click on that and enable. Make sure all your notifications are enabled because Facebook Lives are grouped under the video category. So a lot of people disabled video notifications, but if you do that, you are also disabling Facebook Live. So you do have to make sure that the video notifications, whether it's push, email, or SMS, are enabled in order to get the notifications from Facebook Live groups.